how do you make money from cryptocurrency? A lot of people have heard about crypto. Obviously, in the last couple of years, it got really popular. So people are looking into ways to make money. There's just one huge problem. It's tough to make money in crypto. It's easier said than done. You see a headline about how some guy quit his job after putting a couple grand down. Now he's a millionaire. But in reality, it's very tough to make money in crypto. So today we're going to look at how to make money and how to spot scams. Let's get started. Before we talk about making money, we have to look at avoiding scams. A lot of people will say that crypto is a scam. It's not a scam. The actual idea is not necessarily a scam. It's just that there's many scams in crypto because con artists know that people are using crypto to get rich or they want to get rich. So they're scamming you. And you're going to see a lot of stories coming up about how, some guy got scammed, this lady got scammed, this old lady got scammed. All these people are getting scammed. The way to avoid scams is it won't always be easy, but just a couple of rules I look out for. One is if someone messages you on Instagram promising you high returns and low risk, it's a scam. And anything in life, but especially in crypto. Two, a lot of people's accounts are getting hacked on Instagram or social media, and hackers are messaging you and saying, send money to this wallet, send money to here. Never send money to a random wallet. If you don't know what you're sending money to, just don't do it. Because once you send money to a crypto wallet, it's really tough to get it back. So I know it's going to be tempting. You're like, oh, this person's offering me a deal. I got to send, the one gentleman messaged me. He sent $1,100 to a wallet, and they promised him they would somehow turn that into $2,000. So it ties into the previous point. There's no such thing as low risk, high returns. And there's no such thing as guaranteed money. And don't send money to random wallets. And the third and final thing I would watch out for is watch out for these random coins that are popping up. And I get it. Like you want to buy your lottery ticket, you want to buy that dog coin, that meme coin, but once you get into crypto, you get added to these Telegram groups, you get these Instagram messages, and you want to buy this new coin. It's supposed to go up 100 times, it's supposed to go to the moon. Just watch out, please. If you're a rookie and if you don't know what you're doing, just don't risk your hard-earned money. And now let's finally talk about how to make money in crypto. Okay, so how do you make money in cryptocurrency? The most common way is as you can tell, my writing is not that good. Buy low, sell high. This is the main way to make money in the space. So the trick is to buy whatever it is, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Luna, AVAX, Avalanche. Buy low and sell high. The trick is to find that low point and then try to get out at the right time. This is where most people will fail. So if you're hearing a lot about a coin on social media and it's going up, it's going to be tempting to I've done this analogy before. It's going up, so you're going to want to buy it maybe on the way up. So your goal is obviously to buy it here and then sell it here. But what may happen is you may buy here and then that may be the top. Then it goes down and then you're like, shoot, do I sell here? I buy here. Should I sell and lose money? And that's where a lot of people lose money in crypto because they don't understand the volatility and they're impatient. So your goal is to take some time, take a little bit of money that you're going to invest in crypto. Some people use percentages. I just, whatever you're comfortable with, maybe be $1,000, maybe be $500 to start, $2,000, whatever you have. This is money that you might lose or you might not need right away. So for example, if you're saving up for a house down payment or a new car, you might want to keep that money in a, like in a savings account or something boring because you need that money soon. But if you have some money to play with, I would study some cryptocurrency coins. I was just looking at Luna. So I've been actually, I was just studying, I studied Luna for a bit. When I bought it at 78, sold at 86, thought I was the man. Went up to 100. I'm like, damn, I lost out, but then it went down again. Now it is a 96.38. It's gone up 94% in the last 30 days. Obviously, I didn't buy it 30 days ago. I would have done with my money. I wish I was that smart. So as they say, it's all about time in the market over timing the market. So I would take some money, study some forms of crypto, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these common ones that you hear about, not these meme coins and shit coins. And when you're comfortable, when you see a little pullback, you see the price going down, you can try buying some, and then watch it go. And if it goes up, take your profits. You have to take your profits in this space. Nothing's guaranteed, and that's how you buy low and sell high. Another popular way to make money from cryptocurrency is staking your crypto. So you have to actually purchase crypto. This could be Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. And then there's so many different platforms and tools we can stake it. So staking is It's a process that involves committing your crypto assets to support a blockchain network and confirm transactions. You're essentially taking your crypto off the market and you're putting it in one of these platforms, and you're earning interest. So it's a good way to get passive income from your cryptocurrency. And I mean, the risk you take is that you do have to lock it up sometimes. But on the flip side, you could get like 14. I staked my Solana. I was just playing around with this stuff. So I'm just like you guys. I'm just trying to figure this out too. So I staked my Solana on Binance. So you can use Binance for staking, and I got 14%, which is not bad. It's still better than a savings account, and obviously you're hoping that your crypto goes up a lot. So if you do your research and you find a coin or a blockchain that you're a fan of, whether it be Avalanche or Luna or whatever, Ethereum, you can then decide to stake it and then earn interest, or you're just earning passive income and you're making money, and hopefully you're okay with the lockup period, and so when it's over you can maybe buy low and hopefully sell high. Another way to make money from cryptocurrency, and I'm going to attach some links on this because this takes a lot more work and a lot more effort. I would not recommend this for beginners, but it is mining. According to Investopedia, like Bitcoin mining is it's a process where new coins are entered into circulation. It's also the way the network confirms new transaction, and it's a very complicated process. And you've probably seen photos online of people with all these computers set up and all these monitors, all this stuff, and they're mining cryptocurrency. And you may be tempted to get into that. I had a friend recently get into this. As tempting as it is, it's not always worth it. There's a whole process involved. I would take the time to research this and learn more about mining. I personally don't have the resources or the capabilities in my condo to do that, so I've chosen not to do this. But if you feel that you could be good at mining, you can get into that. Get everything set up and choose the kind of crypto you want to mine. But it's the last option I would consider, because I would first buy low, try to buy low, sell high, do some staking. And then finally, I would get into mining, and that is how you make money from cryptocurrency. Good luck.